In this video, we will look at how to integrate an isolation valve into your experimental setup. Before we begin, you will need PTFE tubing, the isolation valve itself, a 2-pin adapter, a screwdriver, and a holder for the valve. The valve's wires aren't suited for a direct connection, so we'll need to attach a 2-pin adapter to them. Once the wires are inside, screw the adapter to fix them in place. Now, mount the valve by aligning the wires with the gap in the holder's side. An isolation valve uses PTFE tubing to connect to other components. Screw this into all the valve's ports. There may be 2 or 3 depending on model, but this connectivity will remain the same regardless. Once all tubing is connected, it's time to connect your valve to the pressure controller. On the rear I/O, you may plug it into outlet 1, 2, 7, or 8, but not the DC 24-volt outlets. Once your valves are connected, go to the I/O menu to control them. Valves may be independently turned on and off. They may also use either a constant or square wave profile, with both high and low polarity settings for the latter. This affects whether the valve opens near the start or end of a given period. Our pressure controller also allows advanced scripting of isolation valves. On the digital out option, you can set valve behavior independently for a given step as previously shown. You may also control wave settings here, so this can be a powerful tool for automating your setup.